Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a buff Silver the Hedgehog. It's another one of those requests. I did it. Let's hop right into it. It's relatively easy, but I would say it's still intermediate level, so just be warned. But it is step by step, so you should be able to do this. Stay till the very end. It's only about 6 minutes, because at the very end, you're going to pretty much have that in your mind now. So go for it. Let's jump right into it immediately. All right, let's jump in here. Alrighty, so let's kind of get started here. I'm gonna start mostly on the face. All right, first, I mean, if you like Sonic, remember to stick around for this. Anything in the Sonic universe, but Silver the Hedgehog. I'm gonna go over here, curve over here for right above the eye. I'm gonna pull up this direction now. Kind of that frill. Gonna go on this side and I'm gonna pull up just a bit for the furrowing of the brow. Over on this side, down, other brow. Curve over here, up for the other furrow. Right on. Silver's a pretty interesting character here. I was buff Silver, of course. Line, like so, for that one. Up, down for triangle. Up, down here. Over here on this side, I'm gonna throw another frill. He's got this kind of like up the front of his face, like these. I don't know what to call it exactly. I just call it like a frill. Down. Gonna go over here on this side. Throw another one. Down. Over here, one more. Right there. I'm gonna pull back. Line over here. Ear. Pull back over here. Down there. Right on. Gonna go over here and pull down on this side, and I'm going to draw the far side eye. Curve over here. Down, curve around the side of the mouth here. Gonna pull a thick line over here for the side of that eye. Curve around the front of the mouth here. Pull back, curve. Cool, so we have the mouth so far. Gonna go in here and do the nose, line out, forward. Kind of draw through that line. Curve in. We're gonna have a highlight at the end of that nose, but we're gonna fill in the rest of it dark. Gonna go right here and I'm gonna draw just a diagonal line for his mouth. Over here, curve for the eye, and then curve over here for the other eye. Inside that eye, I'm gonna draw a little line on the front and a circle on that one. And we're going to draw a dot right here, whatever it shows, and a dot right here on this side. Right on. Before we draw this guy, he's going to have two big old spikes on the side that are sticking out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the actual, what do you call it? I'm actually going to go over to the body first and start drawing that. The reason I want to do that is because it's going to be, what do you call it? It's going to be very, it's going to kind of get a lot across, honestly. So we really would need to do that. So let's start out with the body real quick, because the body's going to be more forward, right? So we kind of have to stick to that. So let's go over here, line out over here for the neck, line out here for this buff neck, out over here for the shoulder, down. Out of here for the shoulder, down. Right over the front, curve for the pectoralis. Underneath here, bottom of the whole row of the both pectoralises. curve up. Right here. Split in the pectoralis right here. Curve. Top of the pectoralis. Line. It doesn't connect over here. Line. Okay. Gonna go over here at the bottom of the neck. Pull a line down. For here for the kind of cords in the neck. Right there. But don't attach them to anything. Gonna go right here. Draw a line right here for the deltoid. Out over here. Tricep. Curve over here, bicep. Then line down. Line over here. Out down for the forearm. Nub for the elbow. And out here for the rest of the forearm. And curve around here a little bit. So it's gonna vignette. It's gonna go down. Gonna go over here. Curve for the rib cage. Down. Curve over here, down. Gonna go over here, curve along here, down, line, line. Curve over here, tricep on the far side, curve underneath, line, forearm, edge of the elbow, other forearm. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to finish off the big old spikes he has on the side. So I guess you can draw like his tail out there. But right here we're going to start over here, down, pull out, over here, pull up. He's got this big old spike. Over here is the same thing, out, down. He's got a spike on the far end. You can draw it out, but not really. I guess you could draw it out over here, coming out. But that is. Let me see. I need the. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can put a line over here for the edge of his head, or you could go over here for kind of where that spike is connecting in. And there you go. That is Buff Silver the Hedgehog. There's one more thing actually. You can do the. He has this hair on his chest, so zigzag here, the top. Zigzag over here. I have to draw it in there because I forgot to do it. That is it. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.